Trumpetmaster on the grill, call it culinary thrill. RT-600 smoking skills ain't standing still. Bear Mountain pecan flavor spill. Chuck roll seared up, chef's top bill. Chuck crust, can't trust, taste a must. Sizzling smoke, flavors combust. Wood chips dance, aromas robust. On the griddle surface, perfection we trust. Meat going down, no culinary clown. Juices flowing as the roast gets brown. Seared then wrapped, ain't messing around. Feasting tonight where flavors found. Heat's high, spit fire, ain't no lie. Smoke layers in the zone, my oh my. RT-600 culinary I lie. Bear Mountain pecan roast touching sky. From the grilling phase to the rapping craze. Chuck roast journey, flavor filled maze. Smoking hours in a pecan haze. Salute to the master, the one who lays. Mouth watering vibes, no describing tribe. Smoking art form where taste thrives. Chuck roast glory in stories transcribes. RT-600 tells smoking vibes.